Getting the latest on the Gorakhpur BRD hospital and the case related to high number of deaths in that hospital. Now the gas supplier has moved the Supreme Court, blaming and claiming a media trial. The proprietor of Pushpa Sales that supplied oxygen said that non-supply of oxygen gas was not the reason why children died. Aishwarya is on the phone line with us. Aishwarya, there have been multiple reports that have come out which have also claimed this. Clearly now the gas supplier wants some relief since the investigative authorities have not been able to prove that it was lack of oxygen that killed the children.
Well, definitely, because it cannot be proved that those children who died due to lack of oxygen. It gives Pushpa Sales, which is the company which used to supply oxygen to the BRD hospital in Gorakhpur, some leeway. And that's why they have now moved the Supreme Court, blaming media trial. They are saying that, oxygen supply, lack of oxygen supply was not the reason why the children died. However, when Vera now was on ground, there were many people and multiple sources who told us that the children died due to breathlessness. We also spoke with parents whose children had died on that night, and they told us clearly that just before their children passed away, they could see that they were suffering from breathlessness. So we still need to wait for one report or an investigative report to point out whose fault it was. But for now, the proprietor Pushpa Sales has moved to Supreme Court, blaming media trial and saying they weren't at fault and they were not the reason why children died.
All right, Aishwarya, thanks so much for joining us.